Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my class. In today's class, I will discuss about topic of why do we need forests. We have our geography chapter, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Okay, so let's start this video with this topic. In my previous video, I already discussed topic what is forest and types of forest in India. So today I explain about why do we need forest. So nearly one third part of the land on earth is covered by forest, which supports a major part of the flora and fauna. However, millions of acres of forests are being cleared every year by humans for various purposes. Humans have depended the tendency to take the forests for granted and understanding their need and importance for the planet, human species, and other animal and plant species as well. Okay, so explore the reason why do we need forests and what importance do they hold for us. So first is the primary importance of forest is the pumping out of oxygen with the living organism on the planet requires. Okay, so also they absorb carbon dioxide and serve as a key source of quality air for everyone. Second importance of forest is forests are home to millions of animals and plant species. Nearly 90% of the species present on the planet live in the forest. So, apart from several animal species, there is an estimate that around 60 million indigenous people have their dependency on the native woodlands. Deforestation or depletion of forests would also lead to trouble for the several tribes living there. So the trees present in the forests have a vital role in regulating the temperature of the earth. Okay, so that is most important need and importance for forest. So the trees present in the forest have a vital role in regulating the temperature of the earth. So trees absorb carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas now to fuel global warming. Okay, forests have the power to influence the weather patterns as well and can create their microcolonies. Okay, so presently a huge share of the food we eat comes from the forest. Various fruits, seeds, nuts, and the humans and animals consume are extracted from the forest. Forests have a prominent role in providing renewable resources that helps us in making paper and furniture for our use. It has led to rapid deforestation and overuse. So I hope all of you understood well why do we need forest. Next, we will discuss topic of how can we save forest. Okay, so forests are an important part of the ecosystem and without them life on the planet would be disturbed. So the immensely growing scale of deforestation and desertification has led to global climatic changes as well. It is crucial to take steps to save the forests in India as well as around the globe. So, one of the primary reason for deforestation is the commercial felling and cutting of trees. A substantial part of the forest is cut down to fulfill this purpose. Regulating and planning the cutting of trees by making and implementing various laws and policies will be helpful. Forest fires are the cases of major destruction or loss of forest worldwide. Latest techniques of fire, firefighting should be adopted to control the fire as soon as possible. Methods of reforestation and afforestation must be adopted. The government should make afforestation policies and programs to increase the forest cover and maintain the eco balance. Check over forest clearance for habitation or agricultural purpose should be kept. This would ensure the unnecessary clearance of the forest, which can be dangerous for the entire ecosystem. Various forest management techniques should be formulated, implemented, and monitored, such as survey, categorization, and use of forests. The adoption of digital currency or digitalization in the major aspects of daily life can lead to a substantial decrease in deforestation. This would be due to the less use of paper for which the forests are cut down. Education can be have a substantial role in saving the forest. Individuals should be taught from a young age to adopt various ways which are eco-friendly and good for the environment. Various actions must be taken to raise awareness among the population on saving the forest and their importance in our lives. Okay, so forests build up a vital part of our ecosystem. They should be preserved and allowed to foster at every cost. Only education on the topic will not do all the good. It requires practical applications from our parts as well. So, here today's topic is completed. I hope all of you understood well. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.